What are you doing, Birdie? That was a salad container. That's the first pre-made salad that I've ever bought in my life. And I didn't like it, so I gave it to Gerd, and she ate it. What are you doing? You're a silly girl. Why are you so silly? Yes? Because you want Mommy to fill up that bowl with more food. Uh-oh, Bumby's at the door. Let's go get Bumby. Come on. Let's go get Bumby. Come on. You're gonna walk around with that bowl? You want the whole bowl filled with food? Okay, where's that Bumbleina? I hear her. She taps on the door. Gerta ma Gerta. You want some food? Food? Gerd. Gerd. What are you doing? Hey. Come on. Oh shoot, you had an accident. Oh, you're holding it in. Maybe you should go outside. Oh, there she goes, the pee-pee girl. When are you going to let it go, Gerd? Gerd. When are you going to let it go?
When you feed me, Mommy.
You just finished eating a salad. Come on. Oh my gosh. What did you just do to Mogi? Ah. Mogi, are you okay? Bumby. It's never a quiet moment in this house, is it? Hello, Asa. Yeah. What are you about? I love your voice. Yes. Asali, Asali. Okay, watch Mogi try and come up. Oh, he did it. He did it. Usually he falls. Okay, food time, treat time. Mrs. Magurta, come here and join the gang. Did you have some problems there? Yeah, oh, yes you did. It's okay, honey bunny. Mommy forgives you. she got so upset. Okay.